Unpredictable and utterly devastating, earthquakes can explode with immense force, and someone has already tried to harness that power. It may sound like science fiction, but from the shadows of the Cold War emerged the world's first earthquake machine. Designed by Soviet scientists, not as a weapon, but a potential energy source, it yielded as much power as a small nuclear reactor. Seismologists used its power to measure the Earth's crust. A rocket engine shot a burst of energy through an electromagnetic field 50 kilometers straight down into the ground. The Russians were shooting the equivalent of lightning bolts into the Earth. They didn't expect a reply, but that's exactly what they got. The Earth shot back with small earthquakes, sparking an exciting idea. By causing tremors, could this machine relieve pressure building under the Earth's crust? This might avert the kind of mega-quake threatening Istanbul. But the science was not exact, and researchers couldn't predict how the ground would react. If fired into a fault, the earthquake machine could trigger a catastrophe, an unstoppable chain reaction of earthquakes and tsunamis around the globe. When the Cold War was over, the Russians sold their earthquake machine to the American military. No one knows, or maybe nobody's saying, what actually happened to the machine that makes the Earth move. Machines aren't the only potential weapon against earthquakes. For decades, hydrologists have observed that tremors can occur after wells are dug deep into the Earth's crust. This happens as water pushes minor faults apart, causing the quake-inducing tectonic grind. The theory is the same as Russia's quake machine. Make small tremors to relieve the pressure that might cause a big disaster. Again, the problem is control. Inducing earthquakes is like playing